What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not one of our subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I am out here in beautiful New Jersey. We are in, what is this city?
We're in Rutherford.
Rutherford?
Yeah, nice and snowy.
Nice
Rutherford, East Hanover area. Right
yeah, Hanover. That's what I was going for. We're over here highlighting a ton of setups that we've either sold the equipment or Wire Ninjas, our preferred partner, has put in. And this particular demo that we're about to play for you guys is going to be on a Trinnov processor with a full 9.3.4 Atmos system. And I did a quick review of walking you through the exact equipment used in this space. We're running 3 JL subs, mono blocks. I mean, it's even got the Kaleidoscape media server, just a bunch of killer equipment. And Jose right here put it in. It's all looking great. The customer's super stoked. So this is a beautiful project that we wanted to highlight for you guys. If you would like to purchase anything home theater related, including the equipment that you see in this space, reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed. All right, we're gonna fire this demo up and let it roll. I hope you guys are ready. Let's go. Okay guys, this is Ava, a movie demo specifically highlighting the audio on a 9.3.4 Atmos system and the Trinnov.
Confirmed. Subjects closed.
Best to breathe.
Guys, what I'm gonna do is, because I made a separate video just on the video quality of this Sony 915 with the Studio Tech 1.3 in the 240 aspect ratio. This is a 160-inch screen, but this video is about the audio, so I'm just gonna turn the lights all the way up and crank the audio so that you can hear the sound quality rather than focused on the video. All right, let's go.
I recruited her, I trained her.
She's talking to the target!
Ava,
I'm good. Promise you.
keep your head down, kiddo. Management will be watching on this one.
You did something bad. I wouldn't have sent me if you had. Who was responsible?
Company had nothing to do with it.
You don't believe I do?
You keep breaking protocol.
I asked you to marry me, and then you just disappeared for 8 years.
She's always been Duke's favorite, but she's a loose cannon and a danger to the organization. Don't want her killed. Tell him tooth or finger, I don't care which.
I warned you. I'm not going to be able to protect you a second time. You need to rescind your kill order.
You know I can't do that. This is business.
Lovely morning for it, Ava.
What do you guys think?
These speakers are insanely powerful, man. It's ridiculous.
Well, with those mono blocks on there, yeah, they're killing the game. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that demo. This is a really unique system, and I'm thrilled to be able to show this to you guys. I hope that you found some inspiration as to something that you could do in your own home by seeing our videos. I'm traveling all around New York, New Jersey, highlighting videos in this series. Also did Maryland, DC, and the Virginia area, as well as Colorado, California, and you know I'm a Texas boy, so tons of projects there, and we're gonna continue to visit new and exciting places around the country to show you all different setups. But if you guys would like to purchase anything that you see in these videos, make sure to reach out and show your support. And don't forget about our preferred partners. We got the best calibrators, the best installers, and those industry-leading products. So we have you covered on all fronts, guys. We would love the opportunity to earn your business and give you that 5-star service. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Just cruising through New Jersey. On to the next one.